India's national governance depends on the employees, and there had been this mission Karm Yogi which has started in 2020. The idea was to develop civil servants, making them future ready. So, bringing in a citizen centric and performance oriented system has been important. So, from a rule based to a role based model where the idea of Viksit Bharat can be targeted, today's the public officials are expected not only to enforce rules but also to solve the problems, collaborate at the ground level. So this is a DDD model, which is the demand, design and delivery model, making capacity building as one of the important aspects of it. And then the Karm Yogi Jan Seva Karyakram, which has been again important to develop future centric citizens. So demand, which is instead of supplying the training before clearly understand and capture the demand of the people, bring in the changes in the infrastructure through the design, and then bring in the best delivery for the public, right? So this is an extension of what has been called as the Daksh leadership model and the Viksit Panchayat pilot project, which covers 60 villages of the 4 states. The most important is that what good governance does is not just depend on the institutions or the laws or the plans, but it depends on a continuous development with those who have the responsibility for public. And this is what is the basis for Mission Karma Yogi. We'll be focusing on more important topics in the next sessions. Thank you.